Matt Barfield, and I am here at the Promethean booth at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. And just going to tell you quickly about a couple of our great products that we're showcasing here at the show. So behind me, of course, is my favorite, and that is our 86-inch ActivPanel10 Premium. Now, it comes in multiple sizes of 55, 65, 75, and 86, but of course, look at this beautiful QLED full array local dimming panel with an 8-mic array here along the bottom, subwoofer, the ability to attach an EPTZ camera at the top, and of course we're showcasing a great partnership that we have today with DisplayNote, and DisplayNote gives us that easy walk up and just present or to join meetings right in your conference room, whatever works out for you. Now, one of the key pieces about the ActivPanel10 Premium is that it is a non-OS panel, so you get to pick what you want to put in it. We actually offer 3 different flavors: Windows, Chrome OS, and an Android OS, and those devices just simply slot right into the side of the panel, which gives you more longevity out of the panel, and also gives you the ability then to upgrade your OS as you need. So again, great product here for you to come and take a look at. We love it, we love the Premium, and we're going to show you a few more things as we go through today.